She's in the character Rasmus as some of the things I experienced myself. Definitely on the sensitive side, and the way Rasmus sees things with new eyes, I kind of do the same on set. So, yeah. For the Rasmus role, I went through 6 or 7 auditions, I think. Meanwhile, I was still in high school. Yeah, so it took a little time. I really don't think there was a funniest day because every day was so magical and so hilarious because everyone loved each other. Everyone loves each other, and so every day was just funny and amazing. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching these quick Q&A questions. I want to say that I love you guys so much, and you guys are wonderful fans. Yeah, we couldn't do this without you. So it's been Lucas and Rasmus signing off. Peace. Alright guys, so we're doing some behind the scenes. Hey everyone, so I just took a shower because... Hey everyone, so we're in the car right now, and we're arriving at the Rain premiere, and we're excited. There's a bit of traffic right now, but we'll... Hey guys, when you see the next 3 episodes and hope... Hey guys, we're here at the red carpet. Yeah. I'm here with Batu, with the Rasmuses. Yeah. Hey everyone, my name is Lucas Lundgaard Tønnesen, and I'm playing Rasmus in Netflix's new original series, The Rain. And I want you guys to know that I'll be on The Rain's Instagram account tomorrow, and I'll be showcasing you. Good morning.